Tickets, please.
What?
Sneaky little anthills popping up all over the place. You can call on me to lift the colony. Lift above my head, what you see is what you get. Hell about me, what you think they just came to bring food for the picnic? A Caesar salad, feed the challenge. I popped you up the soul on my shoulder blades of callous. What's the matter, cats? Got you long, let's invest in a messy corner, batters up to none. Born to return, I love to lead a pail to reach the cinema pail as well to teach a young. Chasing and facing nothing but a wall. Sitting out where you're falling, yet the world's not involved.
My clutch pedal just broke. Nope. This is pretty shitty video quality. That thing's cool. Man, that's pretty stable for a little thing. Oh, oh, keep going. Oh. You almost made it through this little hole right here.
I used to run a 16 STI with the.
Oh, nice.
Man, like I said, I'm a big fan of what's going on, but
Yeah.
clear, no crime.